What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Paradise Fishing. How long has it been? 2 months?
2 at least.
It's been a while. We are out here. It's March, what, 6th?
March 6th.
It is cold. We have layers on, but the fish are not staying away from us. We are at a lake here on Long Island, New York.
Going for some perch, pickerel,
whatever
we can get.
Whatever at this point. We're just itching to fish, so let's get into this video. Let's go. Cast of the 2021 season. And I don't even know where that went. Pretty rocky. Why? Should I guess? He's already caught. How deep is it?
Pretty shallow.
Gotta go a little further out. Alright, guys, so we're walking from spot 1 to spot 2. We're doing a lot of pond hopping today. Or sewage hopping, because there's one spot that's like, I call sewage, but it's not sewage, it's a runoff of something. That we're gonna go through this cemetery.
Yeah, I'll try a couple spots in there.
Test our wolf. Rest in peace, baby. We're walking through this cemetery. So we're going to the next spot on the same lake. Different spot. We'll see you there.
So we're approaching the next spot now, as Richie walks in the camera.
I'm sorry, go.
We just met one of the residents of this area, and she said to come around towards the rocks. So we're trying to find that now. And if you guys see that dock, it's a little broken down. We're gonna try over here for a little bit, and then maybe hop to the next spot. So we'll see you when we get on some fish. So we're at the next spot, guys. So far, we haven't really got anything. It's still very, very early in the season.
Like, probably too early.
Yeah, probably too early. March 6th, 2021.
Yeah, but we were bored and we wanted to go for it, boys.
Yes, sir. Or ma'am, whoever's watching. And we got a little company. We got a couple haters.
They catch something, they're going in the water. I'm bundled and cold, and I've been here for 3 hours. If they catch something and they've been here for 4 minutes, they're ending up in the water.
Buddy, well, it's cold out here.
Really thick.
Keep the new neck gator. You guys should pick it up.
Neck gator, guys, link it down in the description. Also, sweatshirts, but there will be new sweatshirts coming soon. I'm cold. I was gonna say cold and wet, but I'm just cold.
Yeah, I'm pretty cold too, boys. So, what are we gonna say? Until next time, I guess we'll see you guys later.